Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 30th day of January 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here is a trade taken in the room today. And as usual, we look for our strong candle indicator, which we have right here. And it says go ahead and pointing down, saying take this trade short. And that is exactly what we're going to do. So we look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be anywhere from 160 to 180 ticks in length. Our maximum ATM for the video purposes is 20s, 50s, and 100. And it's a little bit light with with what the PVI is, but here it goes. So we're going to start off as a cover order, and then we're going to wait for the market to push up slightly. Then we're going to put our order on the body of the candle. And this is how it all went down in the room today. We got to do regular speed. We can't speed it up until we get into the trade. So we got the cover order on. We'll wait for the market to push up a little bit. I believe it. This might take as much as maybe 30 seconds before it actually does it. So it's going to mess around here a little bit. Everybody's arm wrestling around where that candle closed. There you go. Now we're good. Now this is going to carry some risk. You can't trade this high PVI market without some risk. So we're just going to go two candles behind. We can speed it up now and watch what happens when our um, first target gets taken out. So we'll speed it up to 4 times regular market speed. Okay. Now look, the stop came all the way down, so our risk is down 0. Now what we'll do is we'll get another order ready in case this comes back and takes me out at break even. I don't think it did, but just in case, we need to have another order ready. It's making its move, so here it comes. Can't lose any money at this point. All we can do is be in profit. We're 90 ticks into profit, and we're at minus 18 on our stop, so we're 72 ticks ahead at this point in time, with a chance of getting 100 ticks down the bottom. Boom, it's out. That trade took under 5 minutes and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. See you. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.